Hey there guys, Jack here. Welcome to my first video on my new channel. This is going to be a mod showcase of the 8x8 utility truck. Not this truck, I'm just literally loaded up the game. So we're going to get the truck out and we're gonna have some fun with it. It's somewhere down there, it is. The 8x8 utility truck. I want to off-road one. I want it in, that's red. Replace current. Right. I haven't actually seen this yet. Hold on one sec, my freaking computer screen's gone a bit weird. There we go. Right, I have access to my soundbar now. From blaring too loud through my microphone, also all you could hear is the game, but okay, that's a little bit loud. There we go. This is quite nice, I have to say. Just free it up a little bit and reset it right there. Beep 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 beep. It feels weird on a different channel. I don't say, hey guys, Luna here anymore. I'm gonna have to get used to saying BeamNG.drive master. Right, let's do a suspension test in this big box of a shaky machine thing. Boing, 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 boing. Oh my god. It's a bit bouncy, isn't it? Hop, skip and a jump. It's made it. Let's do a jump. I haven't actually played with this truck yet. Woo! Well, there's a problem. Oh, we've cracked the front screen, busted the suspension cab, smashed up that front wheel, busted it, bent the axle probably. Yeah, bent the axle. Oh, bent that axle. The exo cage is fine. And it still drives. Not gonna be as fast anymore, but it still drives. So let's take it through the small rocks and then the large rocks and then the cave, if it'll fit into the cave. Right, let's see. Right, there's the small rocks. Let's go through. Oh, I didn't give it a fair chance. Whoops, okay. I'll take it through slow so it doesn't dip and smash its front end in. Just need to be able to see if it can make it over there. So... Right, stop right there. Okay, right, let's drive it in nice and slow. Right, let's see what it... Whoa, that cab's bouncy. Right, what's first person view? Whoa! Shaky. Right. That was a lot of cameras. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, it made it through there. Spin it round. Hopefully I don't... Okay, I'm not going to hit them things. I thought I was getting closer than I was. Right. Large rocks time. I'm probably going to get stuck here. I've got an 8x8. It should be able to pull itself through. Or push itself through, whatever way it gets stuck. Did I just break it? Oh no. Oh, that's a rock. It's quite a large one at that. Right. Let's use this thing's brute force. Oh my god. I think this thing's struggling a bit. Okay, it doesn't want to go past that one big rock. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, yes. No. Oh, damn it. No, it doesn't make it over that. Right, let's see what happens when I put it on that miniature jump and try and land it flat. So I have to turn into it like that. Wow, that suspension is good. Right, let's do this one right here. Going a bit faster this time. Oh, I popped a tyre. Still drives perfectly fine, just twisted front end again. Oh, it's pulling to the right. Slam it, slam it, slam it, slam it. Ooh! If that cage wasn't there, that cab would have been obliterated. Oh, I broke the engine! Yes! Right, let's go for the next one. I've got a couple more mods to show off. I know that one's quite an old one, but and the 2 buses. Just get a white one, just because I don't want to click anything other than spawn. And let's bring this right down. Oops, sorry if you heard that. Okay, I brought it down so I'll be able to see the monitor. There we are. Wow, this actually looks pretty good. Of course, I just saw that there is no texture there because I think the mod downloaded wrong. Oh, what's that? Hey, what? Why does that... What? That's weird. Okay, but whoa. Diff. Whoa. Right. Let's bring the camera back to where it should be. Somewhere like there. Yeah, no, right. Yeah, okay. Oh, cool, there's a passenger view. That's cool. Right, I'm a passenger of this truck. What's it feel like to go over the suspension test in the truck? This one's a little bit heavier. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god, my door's shaking a bit, isn't it? Blimey. Look forward to a live stream tomorrow at 12. If not 12, 1 o'clock. And if not 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Oh. I forgot how tall this thing was. At least we get to see a... Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. That cage wasn't there. And the cab got obliterated. Actually, I want to test that. I'm going to avoid everything and go full speed into that wall. But I'm going to do the same test. I think this one's actually a little bit faster. In the long run, that is. Right, let's do a jump. Just jump and a bounce. Very barely. God. Right, we're going a bit faster. Hopefully I can get the tyre pop. No. Oh, that's going to slow us down. I've run over my own front mudguard. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, we're going about the same speed as we was in the last one. Maybe even a bit slower. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that cage would have saved that. Actually, I don't know. That cab's pretty strong. Right, let's do a bit of, like, off-road testing of it now. This isn't the off-road one, but it's got off-road tyres, so I'll take you through the sand. Or maybe I'll give the off-road one a go again. I'm definitely gonna be getting one of their trailers out. Ooh, right, there's the sand. Brake. Put the accelerator on. And we are lined up and we're in the sand. It's starting to get quite deep. The sand's getting quite deep. Oh! Oh! I think we got the 8x8 stuck. Oh no, it's going. It's still going. I was just thinking then, have we got the 8x8 stuck? Oh, I almost dropped my mic. 4 miles an hour. This is very slow and boring. But I'll do it just because I want to see. Wow, that bumper has dug in so far. I love the 4-wheel steering on this though. That is the good thing. Come on, get to the end. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. Not. This thing's so slow. Right. Is it seriously? Oh no. It's stuck in the sand. Oh, no, okay. I had to turn the wheels a bit. Pull yourself out. Turn, 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 turn. Let's play on the ice. Yeah. Icy, icy. I'm not able to steer. Oh, yeah, I am. 4-wheel steering is good here, because I can go like this. And I've got quite good grip. Right. Let's try a water test. And put the brakes on. Turn. Right, let's line it up for a water test. See how deep it gets before it floods the engine. Right, line the camera up. Just dropping in. Just dropping in. Barely anything. Halfway up the wheels. This one's just at the top of the wheels. Engine's not doing anything right now. That should be killing the engine because it is inside the cab. I'm guessing. Oh! Is there something I didn't see? Oh, I won't test it again. I think there was something I didn't see. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, this is good. You get to see the cab suspension in proper use. Like, whoop. Oh no. I knew that was coming. As soon as I went over that jump kind of sideways, I knew I was going to hit that. Oh, well, no, don't go up the loop, don't go up the loop, don't go up the loop, turn that way, yes. Whee! Oh. I didn't know you could open the doors. I know other YouTubers have covered this mod. On my first channel, I'm usually pretty quick with mods, but recently I have just been doing live streams and left my channel really with mods. Not been uploading much. This channel there'll be a new video every day and live streams Saturday and Sunday. As I said on my first channel, links to my first channel will be in the description in case you wanted to go and see. So yeah. Whoa. Whoa, that wheel's broken. Right, we're going to change maps real quick. We're going to go to... Where do I want to take it to that? Let's take it to the ramp. whilst that should be slowly loading, I'm just going to quickly check out my iPad real quick. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Right, I'm back. Just had to check that one thing on my iPad. Right, let's go. Get the utility truck. I want the off-road version. Just so we get some better suspension. Whoa. Okay, we're back up to normal frame rates. Just loading it up there was a little bit sketchy because it like dropped down to 3 frames a second for a minute. We're now back up to 40 FPS, so ooh, I think I may have crashed BeamNG.drive. Oh no, it's back, don't worry about that. Oh, back down to 3 FPS, back up to 40. Yeah, let's get it going. Whoa, what's going on there? Okay, my iPad. Just got a post notification. Huh. Come on, truck. You have like 14 gears. Only 102. You're not gonna make it, bud. Oh, there we go. Back up, back up. Slow down, slow, slow, slow. Bring it down. Bit faster. Whoops. We might not make it. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Oh dear, this is not gonna go well. Is it gonna bend my frame? Oh. That wasn't that bad. Oh, that wasn't either. Okay, now the engine floods with water. Yeah. Okay, I didn't see that. I don't think it told me. Still drives. Kind of. Right, let's go a bit faster. I'm just going to drive off and see how fast I can get it going. Not recommended over 200 kilometers an hour. That's 120 miles an hour. Don't ask me how I know, I just know. I watched YBR's video, that's how. Right now, I think Neological is my favourite BeamNG.drive YouTuber. I've been subscribed to him for ages now. Whoa! 10 frames a second, 1 frame a second, 30, 10, 12, 40. Okay, we're back up. I'm flying. Oh! What a landing! I can't control it. What is going on? Oh, 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 oh. No, steer, steer, steer. Yes, crashed. Oh, oh! Oh! What? Oh, the radiator. The cab's coming out of the cage. Let's get shifting. Let's get shifting. This will be the last jump before I end the video. There might be, yeah, there'll be another one uploaded straight after this one. Because I feel like making a few videos just like, so I feel like I've actually used this channel. It's not just a regular random channel that you find on YouTube with 1 or 2 videos. I'm going to upload probably a couple. 8 frames a second, 30 frames a second, okay. 10 frames. It does drop a bit when we get near the bottom because of all these lights, individual lights. And as soon as we get past, it goes back up. So, ooh, yes! I survived! Probably not for long! Oh! I am not doing this! Okay, it stopped. Hopefully it stops and stays. Has it stayed? Yeah. Oh my god, this cage did nothing to protect the cab. It's twisted. The frame is twisted. Never seen a frame do that before on a truck. Well then guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. And there'll be a live stream tomorrow at 12 PM. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. You are the best. Peace out.